Welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I created this look, which my subscribers helped me pick, make sure you keep watching. And if you have a chance, and if you like my video, make sure to subscribe. Bye! So, I prepped my eyes. I am looking a little funky and a little creepy. And before I start, I'm going to tell you guys about my contacts. They're by Desio. Hopefully you can see them. There we go. They're by Desio. The color I have on is called Desert Dream, and they have corrections. They're FDA approved and they're made in Italy. Awesome, right? Also, I already prepped my eyes, meaning I already moisturized under here with my Clarins. I used Clarins to moisturize under. Both of these were gifts from Octoly. The contacts were by Desio, and Clarins, of course, sent me these in exchange for a review. I'm a Clarins girl, so anything Clarins sends me, I always use, and I love, so no problem. Desio, please send me another set of colors. I love these. They're so comfortable. I spent the entire day yesterday wearing them. I literally spent, I think, 18 hours. We went to the airport, we had breakfast, then we went to an Earth Day event, and afterwards we came home and did laundry, and I felt like I had my regular contacts on. So I love them. So Desio, you know, hit a girl up, give me some more different colors, right? So the whole purpose of this video is because Instagram chose what I'm gonna do. So let's go on my phone and let's see. I don't know how to do the add-ons yet, so eventually I'll learn, but I'll read to you guys what you guys told me. So according to my Insta stories, I asked full face or just eyes. So 86% full face. Foundations. I was going to do the Marc Jacobs or the Nars. 54% said Nars. 60% cut crease. 78% glitter. Oh gosh. And 53% cool colors. I think I might not do that. I might do the warms. And of course, 67% full glam with a bold liner, 74%. I like that pick. Okay, so let's get going. So you wanted warm colors. Well, you wanted cool colors. I chose warm colors. I'm sorry, I was so close. And I wanted to try out the new Festival palette by BH Cosmetics. This I purchased on my own. It was not sent to me in PR. You know, it'll be nice if you hook a girl up, BH, but for now, I bought it. And let's open her up. Let's see the colors. So I'm thinking maybe let's do a little orange with a little pink, and you wanted glitter, so I think for now let's just start orange and pink. And of course I had to buy the brushes. I'm such a hoarder. Okay, so let's start off. There's no transition shades in here. So where's my palette? I'm gonna bring in a little bit of Natasha. I love this palette. I love all the shades in it. So let's see. I need a transition color. Let's do that one. And I'm using the BH Cosmetics number 6 brush from their Tropical collection. Now we're gonna go with the color Hippie. Oh wow, super pigmented. And I can't say that word today. The next color we're going to use is this one right here. Same brush. Next, we're going to cut the crease using one of the Morphe brushes that comes in their black and white set. And of course, my LA girl. Crease is cut. I've always wanted to do something a little bit out of the ordinary, so how about let's put some of these. So we'll pack on this color. We'll pack it on with a Mikasa E230. To blend out the edges, we're going to go back with this one. I honestly don't like how that looks, so I'm going to go with a little bit of Hipster to create a darker tone. I'm going to use the Glamour Dolls Lisa Frank collaboration brush. So far so good. Next, you guys asked for glitter, so we're going to be using the Fearless collection. So you guys asked for glitter, so I'll be using Fearless Barbie collection in the color Queen, and I'll be applying that with the NYX Glitter Primer. And for that, I'll be using a Morphe 224 brush. Tatcha. I don't use the little thing anymore, I just go straight with my hand. And now this is the one they wanted me to use. So here we go. Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. And I am a color medium dark 5 Marquises. It's a medium dark 5. Never used it, so it's definitely a first impressions. Next, we're going to set our concealer with Sacha. I also received this complimentary from Sacha via Octoly. And I'm going to use a Luxie 660 Precise foundation brush to apply it. To contour today, I'm going to use something a little bit different. I'm actually going to use the Innisfree My Duo No. 7 highlighter and contouring. For blush, I'll be using Benefit Cosmetics' new Gold Rush brush. The full size is $29 and the mini is $15. So to finish this look, we're gonna go with Urban Decay's Hi-Fi Shine and Obsessed. You guys saw me swatch these in another video, so I'll put the link down below so you guys can watch all the swatches. Okay, so I'll do liner and lashes off camera because it takes me way too long, and then I'll come back for the finished look. For lashes, we're doing Sephora. Oh, you can't see that. For lashes, we're doing the Sephora collection with Lilly lashes. These are Mykonos, my favorite. I have like 10 of these. Aren't they beautiful? So let's take these out. Fluff it out. And enjoy this look. What do you guys think? Sound off in the comments below. Did I meet your expectations? Does it look good? What's up? Do you guys want to continue picking out my looks? Oh my god, my hair. Do you guys want to continue picking out my looks? Let me know. Remember to subscribe and watch the next video.